Hi guys, I hope you had a great Independence Day holiday. Now that we are in July, let's review the highlights of San Jose home sales in the first 2 quarters of 2023 in California. I am Ava, a local realtor in San Jose, California. Welcome to my channel. In San Jose, for June 2023, 544 homes were sold, compared to 559 homes in May, reflecting a 7% decrease in volume. Among the 544 homes sold, 394 were single-family homes. The average listing price was $1.65 million, and the average sold price was around $1.73 million, representing an average of 5% over the asking price. The average sold price in June 2023 was $114,000, higher than in May 2023. In June 2022, the average sold price was $1.72 million, indicating a year-to-year increase of 6%. For townhouses, a total of 53 units were sold in June. The average listing price was $1.06 million, and the average sold price was around $1.11 million, which was an average of 5% over the asking price. In June 2022, the average sold price for townhouses were $1.09 million, showing an average year-to-year increase of 2%. Regarding condos, a total of 97 units were sold in June. The average listing price was $770,000, and the average sold price was $791,000. Similar to single-family homes and the townhouses, this represents an average of 5% over the asking price. The average sold price in June 2022 was $769,000, indicating a year-to-year increase of 3%. Out of the 29 zip codes in San Jose, sales were concentrated in a few zip codes. For single-family homes, a total of 1,768 units were sold from January to June 2023. Over 40% of the sales occurring in the following 5 zip codes. The following 5 zip codes accounted for over 48% of the total 263 townhouse units sold in the first 2 quarters of 2023 in San Jose. The breakdown for townhouses is as follows. For condos, the top 5 zip codes that accounted to 48% of the total condo sales, 537 units this year, are That was a snapshot of the first 2 quarters home sales in San Jose. These numbers are crucial to know if you are in the market to buy a home. As of July 5th, 2023, there are 318 single-family homes available in San Jose, with an average listing price of $1.87 million, which amounts to about $965 per square foot. Out of those active listings, 48 homes, or 15%, have experienced a price reduction. Well, in any market condition, there will always be overpriced listings, and that isn't the case here. For example, out of the 48 listings with a price drop, 5 are in the 95120 zip codes, and their average original listing price was $3.1 million. Some of these listings were priced too high compared to the current median listing price of $2.5 million in this area. Typically, if a listing does not receive offers within 30 days, the seller and the listing agent recognize that it was listed too high and lower the price to align with market reality. That's what happened to those listings. I want to draw your attention to a couple of things. Last year, around this time, there were 727 active listings for single-family homes. Now, there are 318. Reflecting a 50% decrease in inventory. The average listing price for a single-family home last year was $1.7 million. Now it's $1.87 million, representing a 10% increase in the listing price over the previous 12 months. That's significant. Buyers are currently facing extremely low inventory and higher asking prices. Additionally, the interest rate for an average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is around 6.71% now, compared to 5.83% at the same time last year. At present, the only relief for buyers is that there is less competition compared to 2021 and 2022, but it's still challenging due to overbidding and multiple offer situations. When will this change? It will likely happen when interest rates drop and more current homeowners are willing to sell and buy. Many potential sellers do not find it financially viable to give up the 3 or 4% interest rate they obtained or refinanced before or during the pandemic just to purchase a home with an almost 7% interest rate. Should buyers wait to buy until interest Nobody knows for certain when that will happen. However, it's worth considering that when interest rates start to decline, we will likely see an increase in inventory on the market, thereby increasing the supply side. However, the decreased interest rate will also attract more buyers, leading to increased demand. This could result in more competition for buyers, which is something to think about. I hope you find today's video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more future market updates. I will see you next week. Thanks.